your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover in order to access the oil filter. In order to drain your vehicle, you must first lift the front section of your car. This will enable you to access the drain nut. Lift the front of your vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, racing your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. If the front plastic crankcase is present, you should now remove it to have full access to the drain nut. Open the oil fill plug. This will increase the oil flow when performing an oil change. Don't forget to place a used oil collector beneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. With an oil service spanner, a vital tool which allows you to unscrew the drain nut, unscrew the nut. Make a single quarter turn and remove the spanner. Finish unscrewing the drain nut by hand, trying to keep the elbow as high as possible. This will stop the oil from dripping onto your forearms when removing the nut. When you get to the final threads, don't hesitate to put pressure on the nut. This will stop it from falling into the collector when the oil comes out. Let the oil run out for 10 minutes or so. When performing an oil change, it is also necessary to replace the oil filter. You should be able to release it by hand. If it is not possible, see the tips video unscrewing a blocked oil filter. When released, turn it upwards to avoid spilling any oil. With a new filter in hand, lightly coat the seal with oil on the screwed side. This will help avoid too much friction between the seal and the engine block. Friction can reduce the seal's water tightness. Coating it with oil facilitates assembly. Rescrew the filter until you feel contact. When this happens, take it fully in your hand and add an additional half turn to tighten. Don't forget to replace the seal on the drain nut with a new one. Screw the drain nut back on. Start doing this by hand until you make contact. Fix it in place with the oil surface spanner. A half turn to tighten should be enough. Be careful as the cover is fragile, so don't be overzealous when using the key. Now you have to put the oil back into the motor. Start by lowering your car back to the ground and check the oil level. This is something that can only be done when the vehicle is on level ground. Now add the oil into the engine. Begin by putting 90% of the suggested amount. This will leave you a large enough margin to adjust the level of oil appropriately. You can find the exact amount of oil suggested for your car in the description of the tutorial. Tip: try and tip the container horizontally to get a flow of oil that is constant and precise. Close the oil fill plug. Start the engine and let the car run for 5 seconds. This will fill the oil filter. Remove the oil gauge and wipe it down. Plunge it back into its sheath, remove it again and check the oil level. The optimal level is near the maximum, but be careful to never go over it. Based on the level indicated on the gauge, readjust to obtain the optimum amount. Operation completed.